Yet, that person has never existed. Not in the past, not in the present, and never in the future. Sounds like science fiction. Right, well, it's not. This is the power of artificial intelligence today, creating people who will never be. Who have no past, no memory, yet seem as real as you and me. Welcome to the future. Welcome to a reality show fire. We are standing at the edge of a revolution where machines don't just calculate, don't just predict, but create. AI is no longer confined to logic and numbers. It's now crafting art, composing music, and yet, even generating faces that trip the human eye. It's an intersection of creativity and computation, where algorithms are the new artists, and neural networks hold the paintbrush of the digital age. Take a second to think about it. Just a few years ago, creating realistic digital humans was a feat reserved for Hollywood, with teams of designers and animators working for months. But today, AI can do it in seconds. With just a few lines of code, an advanced neural network can construct a face with emotions, and textures, and even expressions indistinguishable from real people. Now, let's pause for a moment. What does this mean for us? For creativity, for identity. AI is not just replicating reality, it's redefining it. These artificial humans might never breathe, but they can smile, they can frown, they can express just like you and me. But the real question is, what comes next? We are in an era where technology doesn't just assist us, it challenges us. It forces us to rethink the boundaries of what's possible, the line between real and artificial, between natural and synthetic, is fading. And as this transformation unfolds, we're faced with the biggest question of all. How will we use this power? Will we use it to inspire, to innovate, to push human creativity beyond limits? Or will we lose ourselves in a world where nothing is real? The truth is, AI is not here to replace us. It's here to extend our vision and amplify our abilities. It's not about losing humanity, it's about redefining. Because at the heart of every innovation, every leap forward, is one simple yet powerful force, human imagination. AI might create faces that don't exist, but the dreams behind them, the vision, that's all us.